Hi, Geoff. I thought I'd give you another quick lesson as I haven't been posting anything for a little while. Today I've had a free day actually, no lessons, no gigs, so I've had a good chance to get on the kit and have a bit of a practice. I've come across something that either I haven't played for a long time, or I figure that I've just invented for myself. Now I haven't invented it full stop, I'm sure thousands of other drummers have done this before, but I'm going to show you what I've been working on for about the last 20 minutes. So I've been working on Swiss Army triplets, or Swiss Army Flam triplets. Anyone doesn't know what those are, it's a simple pattern where you play a right hand, another right hand, and a left hand. So there's 3 hits, right, right, left, and you make the first one a flam. So you flam onto the right hand, then another right, and then a left. So right-handed flam, right hand, left. Right-handed flam, right hand, left. And that's it. Now, for what we're using these for today, kind of melodic phrasing concepts, we're going to need to play them quite slow anyway. So if you're beginner to this, you can use those straight away. Just put a right hand on one surface, left hand on another, and just go away, practice those. But I'm going to push that a bit further, right? So I've got what I've named Swiss Flam 5's. So all I've done to make them 5 hits of the drum instead of being 1, 2, 3, I've put a note before them. So I've gone. So it now goes right with an accent, quiet left, and then the Swiss Flam triplet. So we get this: right, left, flam, right, left, right, left, flam, right, left. Now the key to this really is that I'm hearing this pattern here. Ba, bo, da, ba, bo, da. That's going to give me this. And then I thought, well, why not do it the same with 7's? So with 7's I put 2 notes before. So I play right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Which gives you this. And that's it for the rudiments. So we've got some Swiss 3's, Swiss 5's, and Swiss 7's.